The X100. No, not that X100. This X100 right here. So you mean to tell me that this little thing, 100 represents 100 watts? Right, well, the first thing that comes to mind is
the power of the sun in the palm of my hand.
And you know what? Yeah, after playing around with this, I bought it, okay? And in this quick video, I'm just gonna go ahead and talk to you guys, geek it up with you guys in regards to this pretty crazy light right here. And the funny thing is I'm actually using an X100 as a key light for myself for this video in particular. So this is pretty nuts. Again, the Molus X100 is a 100 watt output light in a neat, small, cute, compact form factor. I mean, look at this thing, it's freaking tiny. And crazier still is that it's a bicolor light, meaning you can go from a warm 2700 Kelvin light to a cool blue 6500. The luminance on this thing is bright. It comes with a reflector, and if you buy the kit, it'll also come with a beefy 2600 mAh battery and a Bowens mount adapter, which opens up the playground that much more in terms of modifiers and softbox systems. Now, if you're needing to crank that light at a constant 100%, just be aware that it'll sap the battery quick, with it being rated for around 30 minutes tops. Of course, at lower light outputs, it should hold you down, but keep that power supply in that small neat case handy just in case. It has a built-in fan to prevent your pocketable sun from overheating, which is also a huge plus. The fan is super duper quiet, FYI, which is also a huge win if you're going to be running the light close to your camera. I really don't know what voodoo Zhiyun enacted in order to concoct this light, but I know it'll be a lifesaver for me for future location shoots. Hyped? Very. We have a few of these bad boys in stock, so definitely swing by in-store or on our website to score one for yourself.